Train your children good manners. We are hearing cases and we are experiencing cases whereby children are killing their parents because some think that they are age mates with their parents. Some parents have allowed familiarity, and as the old saying goes, familiarity broods contempt. Bad manners not only destroys the child's relationship with the parent, but also the child's life. Bad manners or hanging manners are self-destructive. Train your son or daughter or both to mind their language as they talk to you or with you. Train them to learn how to talk to people. For example, symbols of meaning. When their arms are akimbo and they are talking to you and they are shaking their head and their, shoulders, they are doing that to people, to adult people. That's bad manners. It's an attitude. It's a bad behavior that is building, and slowly, as Henry Kissinger, a US secretary, once said, an issue ignored is a crisis invited. Don't allow your child to point at you as a parent. Don't allow them to inculcate the culture of stopping you, cutting you short while you're talking. Train them. It is bad manners. Train them to listen for a complete thought when you or another person is talking. Don't allow the culture of stopping you, hijacking your speech, confronting you. In African culture, and even in some, I think in all human cultures, it is instructive that children must never be confrontational. If you don't tame that behavior at a tender age, it graduates or escalates to situations whereby it is in public domain and now you cannot control it. And it attracts tragedy. Fights, some children fighting with their parents, others killing their parents, others shouting, throwing objects to parents. It is uncouth and dubious. Please train your son, train your daughter, make friends with them. Let them not look at you as an enemy. Treat each other. I like it when I go to burials and I hear children testify about their parents, mom or dad. Some of them in their tributes say, Dad, Mom was not only a dear parent, but also a friend. Are you a friend to your son, Dora? My calling to you, my challenge to you is instill good behavior, good manners in your child, in your son, to your daughter, and may your family, your son, your daughter, be one of a kind who has good manners. See you in the next episode.